Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color an egg pack. Let's start drawing. First, I draw an egg tray like this. Drawing an egg is extremely simple, right? In life, eggs can be processed into many delicious dishes. This egg pack has 6 places for 6 eggs. Then I draw eggs inside. To make the drawing more vivid, I draw faces for eggs like this. Then I draw an egg on the outside. So, our egg pack is almost done. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use yellow to paint this yolk. Then I color this eggshell part dark yellow. Similar to the eggs in the pack, I also used dark yellow to paint. Then I color this pack purple like this. For this part, I use light purple. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.